Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. We were looking for this. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin at the end of this video. And I'm going to give it away another $500 in Bitcoin in 7 days. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period. Boom, free money. All right, so this Bitcoin daily chart, obviously, Bitcoin had an extensive pullback after yesterday's video, and we talked about it, right, as a possibility. And you can see right now, this support level down here is holding, at least for the time being. I mean, it would be great to put in some type of double bottom. This would be a good reversal possibility, you know, but the question is if this doesn't hold, you've got more support down here around 45,000, 44,000, and then next down would be 41,000. So just keep in mind Bitcoin, all eyes on Bitcoin. Let's set the tone real quick from yesterday. We got this measured move down here in play, you know, $48,000, $50,000 Bitcoin potentially, unless bulls can pull off some miracle. You already had a bearish break of a rising wedge, right? So let's put your measured move down here already. Here we are. Boom, 8-hour chart, broke to the downside like we talked about. Now you have to wonder, okay, so you got your low, right, your high, and then this is what kind of created this bearish idea in my mind, okay, like this lower low, right, because I mean this hasn't happened in an extended period of time since Bitcoin I think was at like 12 or 14,000, right? It's been a while, right? So Bitcoin put in a lower low and now a lower high. So I mean essentially this is a short-term downtrend, okay? So, you know, long-term bullish on Bitcoin, but short-term things have changed. You have to wonder, this is potentially going to trend lower, probably a lot of sideways action. This is going to be amazing. I know you guys think I'm crazy when I tell you that these altcoins are going to freaking melt faces off, but this is part of it. Like, people get frustrated with Bitcoin. I'm not making enough money in Bitcoin, and so let's find an altcoin alternative. We're going to talk about like the Ethereum flippening. Ethereum is going to be strong. These other altcoins, like Bitcoin kind of loses its control of the market, right? Because there's a lot of doubts and people just start seeing these amazing green candles in the altcoins, and that's a narrative that's playing out, okay? We had 2 bearish retests possible yesterday. They just kept playing out. And, you know, we completely nailed this entire downside move idea. Both on the YouTube channel and then in the trading group, constant updates. So definitely shout out to you guys that had stop losses in place and took profits. You got to pay yourself. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I've been in your group and I turned $10,000 into $60,000. Huge. This person said, I started throwing a bunch of money at this market. I had 40 Ethereum, half a Bitcoin. Didn't know what I was doing. I was gambling. Then I started again after I quit. I came back and I had 700 pounds. I started following you. I turned 700 pounds into 18,000 pounds, life-changing money. These are brand new traders. They do not know how to trade when they join the group. That's why I get so pumped up about this. This person He said, in the last few weeks, I increased my trading account from $6,000 to $30,000. He 5X'd his money in a few weeks. He also paid off their 2019 Jeep. I'm only giving you the numbers to show you how valuable your course is to anybody willing to invest some money in themselves. Get educated. This is the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. Yeah, right now, altcoin season, tons of money is about to be made. And I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Check out my trading group. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Home run on this one, person stated. Got them, HBAR and BLZ. I have both the top gainers on Binance today, right? 34% and 22%. Actually, HBAR had more upside than that. By the time I posted this, 52% max profits, 52% hitting the winners. That's what we do. You've got to be in the right coins. BLZ, this is a solid setup. Cup and handle, right? Came down here. The price action running out of room, right? Those are the best kind, running out of room, falling wedges. And this is still a good setup, even though it has broken out. You can see, 20-something% profits there. I mean, it would be ideal if you got to move back down here, a retest, and then a move higher, or buy the breakout here. But see this 200 simple coming in here? When the price action breaks and holds this, boom, move to the upside. Look, we'll try it again. When the price action breaks and holds this 200, here it is, boom, major upside. You guys, I'm telling you guys, you learn a few of these basic ideas and the game changes completely. Bots are programmed to trade on the same exact idea. Why does it work? Bots are programmed, people trade on this idea, self-fulfilling prophecy. Let's go. We got to talk about, and so everybody's blaming Elon Musk tweet for Bitcoin's pullback. And I would say I can show you some technicals, and I will in a second, that we knew this, we could see this was a very possible idea. But this didn't help. The herd, they sell on news, they sell on fear. Right now, the fear and greed index is everybody's very fearful, so maybe a relief bounce is possible. Tesla stops taking Bitcoin for vehicle purchases, citing environmental harm. And I would say what's interesting is he's pumping Doge, and Doge is proof of work as well, which is, okay, so now here's what I was talking about. So Bitcoin was forked. So what they do is they copy the code and they create a new coin, right? How did Litecoin? In the beginning, all the altcoins were all Bitcoin forks, right? They just copied Bitcoin and they changed it. So they did that to Litecoin. Here's Litecoin. Lucky Coin was forked from Litecoin. Copied Litecoin's code, made a few changes. Dogecoin, they copied Lucky Coin, made a few changes. So ironically, Bitcoin is the true Doge father, right? Doge started from Bitcoin. It's a fork inadvertently of Bitcoin. But Elon Musk said, he tweeted, "We're working with the Doge developers to improve system transaction efficiency." Potentially promising. Doge was, last time I sent it was slow as dirt. Also right here, he says, "To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but I can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal." So rightfully so. It's what he stands for. Yeah, bad timing for Bitcoin. Then this comes out. Coinbase is going to add Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks, based on CEO Brian Armstrong's Q1 earnings call. But what I would say is, so with this whole Elon Musk situation, right? And the Elon Musk, it didn't help the price of Bitcoin, right? Herd panic sold. But you look at this yesterday. We talked about this in trading group. I'm like, just making a point. The words bearish retests are important to pay attention to. It's difficult to quantify the actual size of the move following a bearish retest, but use the measured move of the pattern just like a bullish retest, but to the downside. All right, possible bearish retest. Bitcoin's at 56,000. Here's your measured move. You had hidden bearish divergence, a bearish cross. Like this downside move's happening regardless, without question. And I did play-by-play in group. I'm like, okay, after this bearish retest, here's another bearish retest. Here's the measured move, possible bearish retest. Here's the next one. Here we are, measured move, nailed it. play by play, right? And so, I mean, that's obviously the huge advantage people have in the trading group. They get constant updates, right? That's what this is about. YouTube, I try to keep you guys updated as best I can. I do this every single day. I make YouTube videos on Christmas, New Year's, birthdays, holidays, all the time. Right? I think I missed 5 to 6 days in 3 years, right? So I'm dedicated. I'm going to give you guys 110% every single day. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. So ADA right now is being talked about. Charles Hoskinson came out and said that Cardano is 1.6 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. Okay. Proof of stake. The narrative that people are talking about is this. The positive price action out of ADA and potentially DOT, right? Based on the idea that a lot of people would say that Ethereum is not, I mean, the gas fees for Ethereum are ridiculous. $100, couple $100, like no one's going to pay that, right? So the usability for Ethereum is lacking, right? And so now everyone is thinking, hey, there's an opportunity. Doors are opening for these other cryptos to step in and essentially take part of Ethereum's market share. And so the point is this: at some point, Ethereum is going to just like move sideways, potentially pulls back and continues higher later, but it takes a break from its positive price action. And then this money moves into other altcoins. And that's where altcoin season, these mid caps and other large caps even will take off. And so understand that now the herd is talking about ADA and they're talking about DOT. So we're going to go over those ideas. You guys remember, I gave you ADA right here, April 29th. I gave you ADA. I mean, we're up 40-something% based on this idea. 40-something%, 19,000 people saw this, right? And then DOT, I'm giving it to you right now. I've probably given it to you before, but again, you got this triangle forming. You want to buy the breakout of this triangle. This is an aggressive buy. The real price movement is going to come when DOT breaks above this level. Okay, so it's just time, like we might see a market shift away from Ethereum, because what you notice is when Bitcoin pulled back, Ethereum had been green previously all the time on Bitcoin pullbacks. Now, Ethereum did get hit by Bitcoin's pullback. So potentially this is a leading indicator of a market shift. And so we're keeping an eye on DOT and ADA. There might be a bull flag right here. Hard to say. This one's kind of extended. I think ADA is going to hit $2.30. I think there's some upside. It's always good. I mean, this is the best buy is to get it on this retest like we've been talking about in the past. Total altcoin market cap got destroyed by this pullback. 23%. Altcoins lost 23%. We talked about this exact scenario the other day where we could get another bull flag, right? So now you've got to bounce, and this is moving higher. Potentially, it could bounce and continue higher, but this bull flag idea is something that I'm kind of considering. Okay, so understand that you could see altcoins bounce, Bitcoin, even like a small relief rally would definitely give some positive price action for these altcoins. Right? Here's another one. EPS is starting to move. And so, again, you got a falling wedge that's running out of room. I mean, you might get some type of rounding bottom. However, I mean, you got the possibility that it does break out here. IOTA, I gave this to you previously. Just a reminder, this triangle is running out of room. This is a bullish pennant. You're looking for upside. IOTA, when it takes off, just like any of these altcoins, they're all going to explode. Maybe not all of them, but 97% of these altcoins have amazing upside over the next 2 months. Listen, I get it. Bitcoin just pulled back. Everybody took losses. Okay, well now it's time to make a ton of money, right? Obviously, Bitcoin needs to settle down, but I'm telling you, altcoin season, what you'll notice with these altcoins is they recover a lot faster than Bitcoin does, right? Doge is here to stay. You got resistance. Now it's future support, and it's bounced. Best entry would be some type of pullback and then continuation to the upside. I can add you some targets. Basically, you're just going to mark your overhead resistance levels, and we could see upside continuation. Doge, 73 cents, 63 cents, 57 cent targets. So keep an eye on these ideas. Okay, $500 Bitcoin giveaway. I'm choosing this video right here. going to choose this person to give away $500 in Bitcoin right here. Dennis Aliferi, riding the positive vibe. Dennis, listen, leave your email address in this comment and I'll get you that $500 in Bitcoin. Boom. Free money. Let's go. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.